Haka khatway tarik Mynta ubanai kalalengkot 8,000 riu. Kaway na ki bank bahe hakari India barok kaway ka State Bank of India Shillong branch. Kala rakhi ya kalungkhu Snem ka ba Shispah Snem kanthi haka jinya lenti jongka ban shakri ya ki pad ba kani ka jilla kabala seng haka Snem khat khandai spa 8,000 riu. Ya kani ka jing rakhi la penlong hasusu tham auditorium Shillong hakaba la yadon rengkat ru UMP ka Shillong parliamentary seat ba Ricky AJ Singkon kum ukongsan rengkat ka jing yadon lang ki weide ki kindram ki lendan ki bala shak hot snobha ki he jong ka State Bank of India bat ki nong trei jong ka ni ka bank ha kani kasni la pelat pat ba ru ya ka Sdang da baro ki kendram ki lendan ki bala shak hot snobha shakani ka jing rakhi bat la penbut sa ki jing ruai bat jing shat tenrai jong ki jat benriu ba pher ki bala ya shim benta da ki kenhon ba pher
While completing 100 years of service is not merely an institutional milestone. Rather, it is a reflection of trust built patiently over many years and across generations. On this note, I want to remind each one of us who are present here that the number 100 is not just a score or not just a number. As a believer or as a Christian, 100 is a spiritual symbol, a symbol of fullness, a symbol of perfection, and also a symbol of promise. Allow me to share a few passages from the Word of God, from the Bible. It says that give thanks to the Lord for He is good and His wonderful deeds for mankind. Give thanks in all circumstances. And if there was ever an occasion for the State Bank of India Shillong branch to thank God, I would say that this is the day where we see that His faithfulness has continued through all generations, and He will continue to remain ever faithful and true. I take this opportunity to congratulate the organizers of this program for organizing this program, which I would say would agree with me that this program is also a Thanksgiving occasion to thank each and everyone in the past and those who are with us today for all the effort that they have put in to, which is the reason for why we are gathering here. Dear friends, in a hilly and predominantly rural states like Meghalaya, banking plays a very important role, a role which is far beyond routine financial transactions. A bank branch started here 100 years ago, and any bank branch opened anywhere, to me, is the first bridge between remote communities and the national economy. In that sense, this centenary celebration of the SBI Shillong branch stands as a powerful symbol of inclusion, resilience, and service. Meghalaya, this beloved state of ours, has historically been among India's most financially excluded region. 5 years ago, UC Berkeley reports that nearly 63% of the population in this state of ours lack access to formal financial services, or in other words, remain unbanked. Well, the reason is because most of the bank branches, they were concentrated largely in Shillong and in few districts of the state. Well, we all know the reason. Difficult terrain, scattered villages, infrastructure constraint, they have all made financial access, quite challenging. In this context, by promoting UPI, RuPay cards and digital literacy maybe in local languages such as the Khasi and Garo languages, I'm sure SBI can help the citizen of this great state of ours and small-time entrepreneurs and business men and women to participate fully in the digital economy.
Well, SBI started in the year 1806 with the Bank of Calcutta, which was renamed as Bank of Bengal in the year 1809. And after that, two more banks had come into existence, which are the Bank of Bombay and the Bank of Madras. These three banks were amalgamated and this merged together and was renamed as Imperial Bank in the year 1921. And for this branch, Imperial Bank continued up till 1955, and from 1st July 1955, this Imperial Bank was renamed as State Bank of India. So we have also completed, as a State Bank of India, we have completed 70 years of service. But if you consider the legacy, we are there for almost 220 years, since 1806.
So how many total branches now we have in whole India?
In the total, we are having almost 23,000 branches and almost 70,000 ATMs spread across the length and breadth of the country. And our customer base is almost 50 crores. I mean, if you consider the population of India, it is 140 crores. So one third of it is our customers. We are catering to almost 50,000 crores customers. The whole state bank, we are having almost 2 lakh 40 staff. 2 lakh 40,000.
Hakani kasngi hapalau jang ka State Central Library. Labu kerpang ru ya ka wei ka kamra. Hakabala pen inam ya ki dur ki dar jang ki nong trei ki badon Naduh Sdang ya ka SBI Shillong branch. Haka Snem kat kendai spa arpuhun riu. Kumju ki tiar kitar ki bala pendon kam Naduh Khubor Sdang. Kentup ya ki pisa bat ki kot. Hakabala tho ya ki kam. Hakabat tep bat sei pisa ki pat ba.
It is a corporate mice stamp, and which is depicting the picture of the old branch of State Bank of India, which was originally built in 1926. So we thought about releasing a postage stamp on this memorable occasion, and it is always I would like to mention that a major role has been played by the post office, the GPO and the CPMG office Northeast Circle, where they have taken initiative. Normally for releasing of a stamp it takes almost 6 months, but within 15 to 20 days the entire process was done and we could release the stamp right on this date. So I would like to thank the officials from the CPMG and the GPO's office. They did the all the follow up from their end to the directorate there in Delhi.